Radboud University should be a place where everyone is welcomed and appreciated. That's why the DEI student ambassadors, Ash and Emma, co-founded the Gender and Sexuality Alliance to make our campus a more diverse, inclusive and equitable space for everyone.
The GSA is a queer network that organizes and facilitates events for queer students and staff. We want to be a safe and welcoming space for queer folks and like-minded people. A community to belong to.
Together with the COC, Freedom Collective and the DEI office, Yusuf organized the first Pink Iftar.
Queer Muslims are a group that are often forgotten. We are forced into invisibility. So during an evening like this, we could share a beautiful meal, have a beautiful iftar, and could showcase all aspects of our identities.
Together with Tito, Fleur co-organized the Pink Week. This whole week is devoted to raising awareness and celebrating the queer community. The Pink Week features a variety of exciting events. A highlight this year was hosting the Lesbische Liga. And next to organizing exciting events, we're also training other students and staff. These workshops are empowering us to create meaningful impact within our community. Vero even had the opportunity to give a guest lecture within a bachelor course. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Together with the DEI office, we are here to help you improve inclusivity.
For us, it is important to foster a community where everyone can be valued and feel free to be their authentic selves. Even with seemingly small actions, we can make a big impact. But we still have a long way to go.
So, let's make a difference together. We are shaping a more inclusive academic community, building a future where diversity, equal opportunity and belonging are the norm. Let's inspire action, one step at a time.